morning guys. Ito ang ginagawa natin araw-araw. Yung bunso ko lalaki ay gising na by that this time. So, ginagawa ko siya ng pagkain. And then, si baby girl ko naman would be gising na rin. Pinapadede ko. Luckily, right now, kaka-learn lang niya. Kung dede mag-isa niya. Makes everything easier now. I can do my own things while she's having her feed. That's what I do when I wake up in the morning. Si wifey, siya nag-aasikaso sa mga bata sa gabi while ako magre-rest para meron ako pahinga for work. Siyang night shift, ako morning shift. So, works both ways, di ba? Give and take. So, tara, gawa tayo ng baon ng mga bata at saka kakainin ni baby boy. So, ayan. I think mag-ano na siya. Mag-iiba na ng oras. Kasi maaga na. Ano man time check? I think 6:30 a.m. na. Pero, nandilim pa sa labas. Inaasa kong napaka-stubborn. Parang tatay niya. Yan pa tayo sa main house. Good morning. Lagi ako may hay fever in the morning, so don't mind my sniffles in the morning. Usually, umiinom ako ng antihistamine or allergy tablets. So usually naman pag sa umaga, ito tinitake natin. Kasi tayo ay tumatanda na at nagkaka-hay fever at mas lumalala ang ating hay fever habang tumatanda. Pag meron akong extra time, I just sit here sa quiet lang, reflect lang ako sa sarili ko. Just a quick refresher of what I'm gonna do today. De-stress lang, just prepping up for anything that can happen. Kasi, di ba, sa buhay ngayon, just be prepared for any butterfly effect. Pero, lagi naman tayo prepared dyan eh. 4 na anak natin, what can go wrong? Everything. Don't swim in the wave, just ride it. Does that make sense? Tapos 7, that's the usual time na ginigising ko yung magkakapatid. Pagkatapos yun, binibigyan ko sila ng extra time for themselves just in case may mangyari. Or especially yung pangalaw ko, hindi siya, let's say, hindi siya morning person. Pero sa time ng ginagawa ko sa space na ganito is I try not to touch my phone. Basta as in, uupo lang talaga ako dito. Titingin ko lang yung inupong ko, yung paligid ko. And you question yourself, is this enough? So yun na, time check, it is 7 a.m. UI, manggigising na ng mga tao. Isn't it fun to be a dad? Kasi ikaw ang manggigising sa kanila. Yung tabing backyard namin napakalaki. See, this is our home. Diyan kami nakatira. Sa nice little granny flats. Ay, mga tulog pa sila. Kuya. Kuya. Come on, get ready for school. Yak. Good morning. Good morning. Gising na pala si baby girl. So, yan na. They're slowly waking up. So, gagawa na tayo ng dede. I think professional na ako gumawa ng dede. Kahit siguro nakapikit, kaya ko na gumawa nito. Alam ko na yung bilang kung gano'n bilis pumasok ang tubig sa bote. Good morning, baby girl. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Here's your daddy. Oh, here's your daddy. Oh. There you go. Kaya na niya, hawakan niya yung daddy niya. Hello, girl. Good morning. Diba? Ginising ko sila. Pero yan, mga tulog pa rin. Yan na. Yan na. Yan na. School time. Sabi ko sa'yo. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys. Good
morning. Get ready for school. Good morning, baby boy. Jackson, you okay? How was your sleep? Did you shoot people with your gun? Come on, let's go get changed in the main house. Here's your iPad. You gonna leave it here? Okay. Come on. That's your jacket. That's your jacket. Oh, you ready with socks here? No, you've got socks here already. Hello, Jackson. You're not a morning person, huh? Last night you were so active. What up, Ka?
What up?
What up? Say gang gang.
I hate the socks.
Why?
Because whenever I walk, it gets off.
Where's your other socks? So what's that?
Old dog.
What?
Old dog.
Old dog. Old dog had a farm.
Not dog. Old dog.
Old dog.
By my father.
What about you, Justin? What's wrong? You're not a morning person, huh? You love daddy? So usually I'm back and forth the main house and our granny flat para asikasuhin yung dalawang boys and then our baby girl. Happy na siya, nakadede na siya, oh. Did you finish your dede? Yeah? Did you finish it? Okay, give it to daddy na. Oh, wow. You finished it? Yeah. You're such a good girl. What are you gonna do? Change your nappy? Yeah? You gonna change your nappy? Oh my God. Strong na naman. Ang aga-aga. So strong ka na naman. Wow. Change nappy. Oh my gosh. Ang aga-aga naman. Hindi strong ang baby girl ko. How was your sleep, baby girl? How was your sleep? Yeah. Yeah. Good morning. Fresh nappy. Yay! Come here. Here we go. Come on, boys. You wanna go?
Huh?
Let's go. Where's your hat, Jenna?
Are you gonna bring I still have to film you.
Huh?
I still have to film you. Fine, anyways, I'm gonna play with my friend. Because he has that cheaper TV.
So there we go. From 6 o'clock to 8:30, tayo ay nag-aasikaso ng mga bata from handling the little one, yung bunsong babae ko, and then yung dalawang Jalen and Jackson going to school, and then here we are ready to go to work. This is from 8:30 to 5 o'clock. So from then on, that will be most of the day. Around 2:30, and susunduin ko na yung mga bata from school, and then back here, and then tatapusin ko yung araw until 5 o'clock. And yun, there's no schedule change. That's how we live. So most likely after 5 o'clock, doon tayo magko-continue mag-video. Ako naman mag-aasikaso ng mga bata. Sabay yung akin pinakamamahal na asawa ang mag-aasikaso. Ang pinakamamahal ko na asawa, siya naman ang magre-relax while ako ang mag-aalaga. So yan, ang araw namin ay patapos na. Si baby ay dumedede. I think this might be her second last dede for tonight. So 10:21, natutulog siya ng mga 12 o'clock. That'll be it. So dedede siya, and then kakargahin ko, papatulogin ko, and then tulog na siya. And then yan. Pero galing-galing na namin baby namin, no? Dumedede siya na mag-isa. Ay, naku, strong ka na naman. Ha? Strong na naman ang baby ko. Ha? Grabe naman. Ha? Oh my gosh. Ay na. Ang nangyayari kasi si baby, siya ay gusto magpa-baby kay daddy. What's wrong? Ha? You miss daddy? Are you full now with your dede? Huh, baby? Are you full now? Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. And hello, baby. Say hello to the world. Hello, world. Oh, ayan ang mga gusto niya na ginagawa ngayon. Ang natutunan niya ay mag-strong. Who's baby strong? Where's the strong baby? Iyan. How old are you? 7 months. Who's 7 months old? Say hello to the world. Ay, grabe naman. Ayan na sila. Tingnan mo. Parating na. Okay. Ayan na sila. Dalawang itlog.
Hi guys. Hello, my Yaya.
Say hello to the world.
Hello,
Welcome to our vlog.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
That's my microphone. Say welcome to our vlog.
I got my
Say welcome to our vlog.
bro?
What's your name?
Jasper.
Jasper?
San Miganya.
What's your last name?
San Miganya.
Whoa. How old are you?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Too early. You're turning 5.
4. Like
Wow.
5.
Do you go to school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ito, pinakang makulit at napaka namin na anak. What about you, Jackson? How old are you?
7.
7? Are you 7?
Yeah. Huh?
What year are you in?
You're 2.
Year 2. Hey! Sabi ko na nga sa'yo, yung pinakang makulit. Well, who do we have here? Your headset is low bat, going red. So this is,
Hi guys.
so ito yung pinakamatanda namin. Hindi mo na ma-reach. Ano, Jaylan?
Huh?
Hindi ka na ma-reach? Ha?
A little bit.
How old are you?
9 years old. No, wait, yeah.
What?
9.
What?
9 years old,
Ayan,
10.
ang napakapilosan po namin, anak. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Playing Roblox.
Is that what you like doing?
Yes.
Say hello to the world.
Hello, world.
What do you gotta say? What do you gotta say to the people that's gonna be watching us?
Hi, world.
Are you shy? What are you, all of a sudden you become shy when there's a camera in front of you?
I don't know.
I don't know. Bye-bye. Jesus. See? Yan ang nangyayari pag may panganay ka. Hindi mo na sila ma-reach. Binigay mo na lahat. Pero ganyan, hindi ka makausap na maayos. Sabay ito naman yung dalawa. Oh. Ito naman. Nag-aaway na. Lahat yan sila nag-Roblox. Roblox boys. Ito, hindi pa natutulog. Why are you not sleeping yet? Huh? Why are you not sleeping yet, baby? What happened? Huh? Lights out, but you're still awake. Oh, no. Look at you. Yeah, see? You're not sleeping yet. Lagi na lang strong pag may camera. Huh? And that's content for you. Ito ang tawag natin ay araw-araw.